Good evening, all. Thank you all for coming over for this wonderful event. And I'm really excited to announce about the project that will be working closely with Napa sellers for the next 6 months and then on. Thank you, Napa. Thank you, David, for hosting us at this beautiful winery, and thank you for the tour for me as well as my team. So I would really want to introduce our team here. We have technology team, we have quality, we have product management, we have project management team here for a kickoff meeting of our CRM sales and service implementation for Napa sellers. It has been a beautiful day altogether, and let's make our presentation. Let's make our next few minutes interesting and wonderful. And I really appreciate if you have questions till to the end. And here we go. I would really want to talk about who we are as ABC Technologies. So it is founded by three brothers 10 years ago, 9 years ago actually, 2010, in the Bay Area. And we have seen a lot of ups and downs in technology industry, and we have survived, I would say, and we have been very successful in our technology industry in the Bay Area. We've been doing business across the globe now. We have an office in India, Indonesia, Dubai, and we recently got funded $100 million in our Series C round, and I would really, it's my pleasure to share it with you all. Something more to talk about is that we have completed 100 plus projects working with various industries, various backgrounds. Our goal is more about what customer needs and trying to fulfill them. So there is more about trying to help somebody rather than a motive of money behind it. Not that we're not going to take any money for this. David would be happy about it, but no, we are very happy to help our customers achieve whatever they need. And we are very much specialized in all kinds of CRM. I would also want to talk about Napa sellers. They are the best wine sellers in the US. They're most chosen by Costco. So Costco is the highest sellers of wine, and Napa sellers is the biggest supplier for Costco. They have 900 employees, and they're growing. They're growing exponentially, and we are happy to do business with you, Napa sellers. And here we have they have revenues of around $1.3 billion. $1.3 billion in 2018. The overall market cap of current market cap of wine in the US is 60 billion. So we are very much happy to work with you from now on, Napa sellers. You're the biggest wine seller, and amazing wine. I would really recommend everybody to try the wine. So what is Napa sellers' goal? Like, what are they trying to achieve? When we had the first meeting, and when I tried to understand, the first thing I realized was they want to decrease the cost of operation, decrease the cost of time taken to complete a sale. They want to increase the quality overall in the business. They want to make their customers happy. They want to be the best in the business. And how is it possible without the use of technology for such a big company, right? So that's when we came into picture. And what is that business opportunities they want to prioritize now, and what is that they want to focus on? They want to increase sales. They want to increase number of customers. They want to add more leads. They want to satisfy customers. They want to get the customer satisfaction score higher. They want to and also at the same time they want to do it easier, most optimized way. How can we do it, right? Like this is the biggest problem they have in place, and here we are going to present the solution for all of this. We are going to help Napa sellers achieve all of this right here today. And Napa sellers have like 80 plus varieties of their products, and they're they want to close as many sales. They want to be not just in the US, they want to grow globally, and here we're going to help them do achieve all of that. So why Salesforce? What is happening today in the market, right? So our customers are more about relationship. Business is not about just like more money, more money. You can only achieve that by maintaining good relationship with customers, and providing them personalized services, like making it very easy, flexible. Customers are kings at the end of the day, and each of the businesses who are successful today are able to achieve it only when they treat their customers as kings. And this is the best way, I would say. They want to and also we have seen the market shifting towards various channels of marketing. It used to be just newspapers or magazines before. Now we have hundreds of mobile apps, not just website. We have TV ads. We have a lot of different places to achieve more customers, right? So it's not just direct individual customers what Napa deals with. It deals with a lot of distributors, a lot of retail markets. It's an immense business. They have like 13 different varieties. They have resellers, they have importers, they have exporters. So their customers are of wide range, who believe in relationship. That's why Salesforce fit in. It's all cloud. It's all quick changes, and it is ready to use. And who are our stakeholders for this project? We have David Nice from Napa Sellers as CTO, who's representing us. I've known him for years now. We've worked in different industries. He's an amazing man, and he's going to be one of the stakeholders responsible for this project. From Napa Sellers, we have Craig Bookland, again, who's Director of Sales and Service, who will be providing their difficulties, all their requirements. Mark Linden, who's going to be project manager. It's me again, Ishwar. I'm a project manager too. So I'll be representing from ABC Tech. I'll be working closely with Mark, Craig, and David to achieve our goal. And we have Lawrence, who's a business analyst, who's going to take all the requirements, making it easily feasible and accountable, and give it to all the developers to develop it. And we have Peter Williams, who's technical architect, the brain behind the big picture of this project. So what's the project we are trying to achieve? In the first phase, we have two goals, that is service as well as sales channel optimization. In service channel optimization, we have email to case. All the emails coming into inbox of all the customer account managers for Napa sellers will be able to go into case in Salesforce, where you can assign a task, you can manage a case, whatever based on the requirement. And case management is again part of service channel optimization. You can follow up, you can try to convert it to a lead opportunity, you can close their claim. If they have some returns, we'll be able to do it through cases. We have live chatbot, a live chat as well as chatbot, which is available 24/7, answering all the frequently asked questions. You can actually chat with an agent. You don't need a call. So, customers don't need a call. So we'll also have a dashboard giving all the information about what are the KPIs, how much time did we take to close it, what happened, how many were happy, how many were not happy. We'll be able to track it through service KPI, service reports of Salesforce. So coming to sales, which is very important, 460 CEOs out of 500 were asked the question, which is the most important part of business? And guess what was the answer? Like 460 out of 500 said sales. So sales channel optimization, we're going to have lead management, opportunity management, so you can create leads, you can follow up them, you can convert it into sale, you can convert it into opportunity to sale, you can maintain orders, inventory, we can maintain customer accounts, you'll be able to maintain campaigns for all the social media marketing, you'll be able to schedule payments, or you'll be able to receive all the payments. So this CRM is going to be the best CRM for Napa sellers, and it's going to solve all the problems. And what is the cost of the project? As we all know, it's $1.3 million. We're expected to deliver by 3rd of 2020. So Jan 3rd of 2020 is the delivery. What is our prioritization? Initially, we're going to focus on data migration. All the data, what is currently in the Napa Seller service, will be transmitted. Then we're going to design screens for all the Salesforce CRM system. We're going to integrate with third-party vendors, like all the payments, all the existing services, marketing services, what Napa has. We're going to integrate them. We're going to have 6-month development, agile development, and 1 month of testing, and one final delivery. We have very specialized project tracking to record all the documentation of requirements, maintain it through agile cycle, will be developed on 13-day sprints over a period of time to develop. So it's going to be a Lego blocks. We're going to keep building small blocks, adding up, and have a beautiful CRM at the end of 6 to 7 months from today. Our tracking system is Pioneer. We're going to stay in touch with all the stakeholders on timely basis for their feedback on what we are developing, and make changes according to it. Our delivery model, again, speaking about agile, we have been using this model from day one, and I think this is the best thing that could happen for the company. We first discover, then we develop, then we check, and we make changes. So this is how we work, and it has added a lot of business value, a lot of visibility, collaboration between people in our team. We are estimated to provide the project, the final product, by 3rd of Jan, but we're going to have the rest of the project by May, which is not part of this phase 1. So phase 2, phase 3 is going to be delivered. B, C, D, and E is going to be more about Einstein implementation and analytics implementation, report implementation. So which is going to be after Jan. So Jan 3rd, 2020 is the final concept. And this is the sprint board, which is planned for 5 sprints, which is already ready for our design and development team to work. This is some of the snippets of how the screen might look, how the dashboard of account manager might look. This is how we will be able to create leads and track them. And yeah, that's it. I think we as ABC Technology will be able to provide 100% guaranteed service and deliver the product on time. And thank you all, and I'm open for questions. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for your time.